Hi, my name is Ronald, and together with me, here are my group mates.
Mikaya.
Hi, I'm Sharafana. Madina. Shahira.
And today we are going to teach you how to make cake pops. And these are the ingredients that we need. Cake mix, water, milk chocolate chip, white chocolate chip, rainbow sprinkles, eggs, butter, and these are the equipments that we need. Tablespoon, 1/3 measuring cup, treat sticks, an electronic mixer, and an oven. So firstly, we're going to add the wet ingredients into the electronic mixer. These are the eggs. Two-thirds cup of water. And 4 tablespoons of margarine. And now we're gonna mix it. Now once all the wet ingredients are mixed, we're gonna add the cake mix. And we're gonna mix it till it's smooth.
Now we're gonna preheat the oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes.
After the mixture has been mixed smoothly, it's time to pour it to the pan. But before you do that, make sure that the pan is buttered so that it wouldn't stick to the pan afterwards. Once the cake is out of the oven and it has cooled down, it's time to smash it!
So once the cake has been smashed, we're going to roll it into balls. And the end result should look like this. Ta-da! So after we have melted the chocolate, we're going to dip the stick into the chocolate and insert it into the cake. And put it in the freezer for 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to decorate the cake pop using the chocolate we have melted earlier and some rainbow sprinkles. So this is our final result.
Hooray! And the cake pop was really delicious and sweet, but it was not too sweet. And I really loved it.
So that's the end of our video. Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe!
Yay!